Is your reality a lie? What if everything you've ever known, felt, or believed was nothing more than an elaborate illusion? A perfectly crafted program running on a supercomputer far beyond our comprehension. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's a haunting question whispered by brilliant minds and unsettling anomalies. Prepare to have your perceptions shattered as we dive into the chilling possibility that our world, our very existence, is just a line of code. Are you brave enough to confront the truth that your life might be a meticulously designed simulation? Elon Musk's startling claim. Even visionary tech titan Elon Musk believes there's an 1 in billions chance we're not living in a simulation. He argues that given the rapid advancement of gaming and VR technology, future civilizations will undoubtedly create hyper-realistic simulations indistinguishable from reality. And if they do, the sheer number of simulated realities would far outweigh the one base reality. This isn't just a quirky thought experiment. It's a chilling probability calculation from a mind shaping our future. What if we are already one of those countless simulations, living out a pre-programmed existence right now? Quantum physics, the universe's secret. Enter the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, where the very fabric of reality behaves like a hesitant actor on a stage. At this subatomic level, particles don't have definite states until they are observed. They exist in a superposition of possibilities, only collapsing into a single reality when we look at them. Why? Why would the universe wait for an observer to solidify its existence? Some argue this is precisely how a simulation conserves processing power, only rendering what's absolutely necessary, only making things real when they're actively being experienced. Isn't that just like a video game? The observer effect, a digital trick? The infamous double-slit experiment epitomizes this quantum weirdness. Fire electrons at 2 slits, and they act like waves, passing through both simultaneously. But observe which slit they go through, and they suddenly act like particles, picking just one path. It's as if the universe knows it's being watched and changes its behavior accordingly. For simulation theorists, this is not a coincidence. It's a fundamental characteristic of a digital world, where resources are only allocated and rendered when a player or observer is actively interacting with that specific part of the program. Could your attention be what makes reality real? Glitches in the matrix. Have you seen them? Ever experienced a profound sense of déjà vu where a moment feels inexplicably repeated? Or perhaps you've witnessed an object disappear and reappear, or a fleeting anomaly that defies logic? These aren't just tricks of the mind. For many, these are glitches in the matrix, momentary errors in the cosmic code. Like a momentary freeze frame or a skipped frame in a video game, these rare, unsettling occurrences could be the universe momentarily stuttering, revealing the fragile seams of its artificial construction. What if your brain isn't malfunctioning, but simply catching a glimpse behind the curtain? The Mandela Effect, rewriting history? Millions remember iconic details differently than historical records show. Was it Berenstain Bears or Berenstain Bears? Did Nelson Mandela die in prison in the 80s? For some, this isn't about faulty memory. It's evidence of timeline shifts, a patch update to our simulated reality. What if large-scale collective false memories are not an accident, but deliberate changes to the program? A quiet, unsettling reboot that rewrites history and subtly alters our past. Are our memories even our own, or are they subject to the whims of the programmers? The universe's pixelated edge. Some theories propose that at the very edges of our observable universe, or at the smallest possible scale, reality appears pixelated. Think of it like zooming in too far on a digital image, revealing the individual pixels. Certain cosmological models suggest that the universe might have a fundamental limit to its resolution, a Planck length, which is the smallest possible unit of space and time. This ultimate resolution limit sounds eerily similar to the constraints of a computer simulation. Is our universe rendered in discrete packets, just like your favorite video game? The tuning of the cosmos. The universe is incredibly fine-tuned for life. The fundamental constants of physics, like gravity or the strength of electromagnetic force, are set to values so precise that even a tiny deviation would make life impossible. This astronomical improbability screams design to many, leading to the multiverse theory, or more chillingly, the simulation hypothesis. Could these perfect parameters be carefully input variables, the initial settings of a cosmic program? Are we not a product of random chance, but the intended outcome of a sophisticated cosmic engineer? If it's true, what then? If we are living in a simulation, the implications are mind-bending. Does free will exist, or are our choices predetermined algorithms? Is there a programmer? And if so, what are their motives? Are we an experiment, a game, or merely a historical archive? The very motion challenges our understanding of purpose, existence, and even God. It forces us to confront the unsettling possibility that our deepest truths are just lines of code. What would you do if you knew your world was a program, a meticulously crafted digital dream? Unveiling more mysteries. The simulation theory is more than just a theory. It's a profound challenge to our understanding of reality itself. It forces us to question everything we take for granted and to consider the extraordinary. The boundaries between science and philosophy blur when confronted with such a monumental possibility. The rabbit hole goes even deeper than we can imagine, with new discoveries and insights constantly emerging. More mysteries are coming. Subscribe so you don't miss them.